Hello everyone. We are making today what?
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. So my kids they found this one in a Walmart. It's super moist cake mix, chocolate fudge cake. So basically it's pretty easy. They are going to cook it, right? You guys
Yeah.
going to cook it, right? So basically we need some eggs, some water, some vegetable oil, and I have some for frosting cream. I have some sprinkle. Later on we're gonna do it, but first we're gonna show you guys how easily we can make the cakes. Right, guys?
Yeah.
So let's start with some egg.
I'm ready to mix.
So we need 3 eggs.
I'm not good at opening eggs.
Alright, I can open the egg for you guys. You can keep mixing that one.
We're waiting for all three.
Go ahead and keep mixing. Keep mixing. Yeah. So we're gonna basically add like a 1.5 cup water in there. Keep mixing. Just a little more. And we're gonna add some oil. Around like a 1/2 cup oil. Keep mixing. And you wanna mix as well? Go ahead.
Yeah, you can mix.
Yeah. Go ahead. Keep mixing.
Now you do it.
So they are mixing the egg, water, and oil in there. So we're gonna open the super mix. It's like a super moist cake mix. We're gonna open this
Are
one.
we gonna add it in here?
Yes. So today we are learning how to make cake. So mix is already ready here. You keep mixing
Yay.
slowly. Keep mixing slowly in one direction. Keep going.
Yeah. Oh, this is getting harder to mix because it's more fluffy and fudgy.
Yeah.
It smells nice.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Don't you feel like eating it because
one
it smells
direction,
nice?
Yeah. Very nice.
It smells nice, right,
You're
Katu?
doing very good job.
Doesn't it smell nice?
You wanna try some? You wanna mix it a little bit? Go
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay.
Let her do it. So they're mixing. It's very fun for the kids, Today is Sunday, so they always wanna do something new and it's very
Yeah,
interesting for
because
them.
Sunday is the only day you have a day off.
And I'll help them a little bit to mix it. Do 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 do. Okay, let me mix it a little bit.
Nice.
It is.
Right, it smells super nice, right, Kadu?
We gonna mix it for like around 2 minutes. So make sure all right, our cake mix is almost ready. The kids did very hard work and they did pretty good job, I think. We have our baking tray here. We apply a little bit oil in here, but still I don't think so. We need this non-stick, and we're gonna pour all that mix in here. Let's do this, guys. Give it to me.
Oh.
This way we're gonna do.
Woohoo.
In here.
This is really cool, right? I think this is cool, right? Yeah, it's very cool. I want to mix it again. No.
And it smells so good, right, guys?
I can smell it. Yeah, very good. I want to eat it right now.
No, we can't eat right now. Our oven is getting ready, so we're gonna put in the
I
oven.
can smell it. Can I smell it? Yeah. Smelled it? Yeah.
Oven is 325 degree. Preheated already, and we're gonna bake for 30 to 35 minutes, and we're gonna check if it's cooked. How we gonna know like it's cooked? We're gonna put any toothpick or knife in the center, and it comes out clean. That means it's cooked. So let's put it in, guys. Move a little bit.
It will be hot.
Yes.
Look
Put
at
here. Alright, da 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 da!
Yay!
Yes! Thank you for watching, guys. We'll come back when cake is ready. Are you guys ready to see the cake?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's been 35 minutes. So we're gonna check if it's cooked or no. So best thing we're gonna see if cake is cooked. We're gonna check. Put this in the middle, and if it's coming clean, that means it's cooked. But if it's still wet or something, then it's not cooked. So let's see. It's hot. Oven is hot. So be careful that you put your kids away when you open this one, because all is steam coming. So we're gonna open a little bit here. Let it cool down, then we're gonna open a little bit more here. Then I'm gonna pull this a little bit here. Let's check it out. I'm gonna put it all the way in the middle, and it came clean. So that means our cake is cooked. I'm gonna take it out, and we'll cool it off for like a 35 minutes. We're gonna check it out, let it cool off nicely for an hour. Then after that, we're gonna do frosting. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll be back again.
Welcome back. We're here for the frosting. It's really blue because my favorite color is blue, so we bought it. And
So-
my favorite color is blue too.
Alright, and we have cake is ready. It's nice and cold. So we're gonna see how it came, and we're gonna make like an even so that it will be easy for the frosting. We're gonna cut it a little bit over the top because it just pop in the middle. So let's figure out. We're gonna do this,
What? Whoa.
and we're gonna go this way.
It
Yeah,
smells nice.
very nice. Smells good.
Okay, don't touch him. He has a
Yeah.
knife.
Yes. So we're gonna cut this one.
But Jay, look.
Yes. And we're gonna. Do you guys wanna taste a little bit the cake?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here. You
Me.
wanna taste as well?
Mmm.
Here.
Mmm. It's good. Right, Tatu? Right.
So we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this one.
Flatten the even layer.
So we're gonna do the frosting.
Mm.
Frosting also we bought from the Walmart for the kids, so it's easier. It's called like a buttercream frosting. You can get in a Walmart. It's pretty easy. It's fun for kids. They can do anything they want. So we're gonna put
What?
a little bit
A
here.
bunch. That's a
Put
lot.
a little bit here.
Yeah. It's not coming out.
A little bit here.
What?
You guys wanna do it?
Yeah, I want
Yeah.
to try.
Yeah.
First we
That too?
flatten
You wanna
it.
do it too?
Wow. This is super hard.
Yeah, let's try this way. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Alright, just do slowly, no problem. No problem.
No, there's too much cream on the spoon.
It's okay, just do this way, remember. This way. No, no, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea, guys. Okay.
It's tasty though.
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
The one time if you do it like this, don't go back. Just like that, okay? Just like that, yeah. Good idea. That's good idea. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way.
I made a black man job licking this
Yeah.
too.
Can do this frosting here. Hmm.
Let me do it. Move
I
this.
mean, if you have a time, even you can cut it in two parts this way, and in the middle we can do frosting as well. But it's easy for kids, you know.
If we go too fast, you can pause the video.
Yeah, no, it's fine. So you can top with any fruits or anything. What we got for the toppings, guys? For the garnish?
Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Because
we
the
can
frosting
do-
is blue, I think. That's
So
why.
we're gonna do everything blue today. It's a blue day. Sunday is a blue day today. We're gonna do some
Tasty.
blueberries. You gonna put some blueberries on top?
I do.
Okay, let's do it.
The way I do it is like I kind of press in so it
Oh.
sticks there.
Okay, that's a good idea. How about we have some sprinkle as well, I think. They are
Oh
in the,
yeah, we do.
they are in the blue color as well.
Everything blue today.
Alright,
Like,
you guys wanna
except-
do it? Put in your hand first, then do it. And give some to Laddu as well. Aditi, you wanna
Show
do
me your
some?
hand.
Okay.
She's
Okay.
looking.
Okay, that's fine, that's
Oops.
fine. Go ahead, put it on top. Put it on top.
This is our first homemade cake.
Alright.
First ever. And we're
Okay.
doing it correct.
You're gonna do a little bit more here.
It definitely did not need help.
Definitely.
Right, Baba?
You guys are expert now. Expert now. I have a fork for you guys. Let's cut a little bit the cake. We're gonna go in the middle. Yeah. Looks beautiful. Like that. And it's for Aditi. It's for Adi.
Yes. And then we try it. Oops, not with the fork.
It's for me.
We shall try it now.
What?
I am this one.
Okay. How do I like it? So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.
Bye. Subscribe to your channel.